Namaste everyone, this is Ravi and today we will talk about the Matsyasana, or if I say the fish pose. This pose is very traditional and as well as passed on with the Nath Yoga Parampara or the first Yogi Parampara in that. Parampara means the ritual or like heritage which we pass by the first to other person in terms of like any spiritual knowledge, any kind of yogic knowledge or any kind of like readings or any kind of skill. So we are trying to just understand that how we can make this Matsya Asana very well and what are the misconceptions and what are the modifications. We can try that also. So first, let's understand the perfect modifications or perfect variation of the Matsya Asana before going to the traditional one. Straight your both legs in front. After straightening your legs, gently bending your both elbows, drop your both elbows on the ground and try to bend your neck back. So this is for the initiation, or if I say the modification or variation for your Matsyasana, the fish pose. But this is a brother of the mermaid pose. So what you need to do, just joining your legs together, toes pointing more up, posture become best. So this is the initiation and starting part. Then gently bending your right leg knee and try to sitting comfortable along with the right leg knee bend, dropping again both palm back, bending your both elbows and try to make your head again back. Holding here, if you have knee pain, then straight your leg. If don't have, then try to bend. Then again coming up, first part complete. Vice versa, we need to do from the left side. Very gently bending knee and slowly exhale, dropping elbow down, inhale, backward bend with your neck, hike up and stretch your chest or expand your chest up. We get the Matsyasana in a variations. Now we completed from the east side, let's do that. So the tradition says first you do lotus pose. In a lotus pose, your right leg is first, left leg second. After doing the lotus, you see here. So the right leg will go down and left leg will come up. Both knees placing on the ground. In case we cannot place the full knees on the ground, then we can try to slightly lift our left leg knee up slightly for the just understanding and adjusting ourselves. Otherwise, keep your knee on the ground and keep on aligning your spine straight. Once we complete this part for sitting, then let's move to the posture. Moving to the posture, specifically this part, the Brahmarandra or starting part of Murdha will touch to the ground, that upper part of your forehead. How? Let's see. Same thing, bending your both elbow, dropping your upper head on the ground. Then with the push or without push, try to stretch your hands more. Inhale, lift your chest more up and drop your upper head on the ground. First hold couple of seconds. If you feel sliding, then again in. Then inhale, drop your right hand, drop your left hand on your big toes. Then try to drop your elbows on the ground. Same thing, inhale, bringing your palm back. And gently first lay down, stretch your both palm up, moving your both legs out. And slowly inhale, coming in sit-up position. So this is about the fish pose. So we understand that what is tradition, what is modification, and now we need to understand that misconception. Most of the time, just because of some yogasana competitions are happening, people misunderstood that we need to touch our face. If we touch our face, our lower neck or if I say cervical part get fully tilted, and then sometimes it may be or it can be happen, definitely you get injuries. So avoid that kind of practices or avoid that kind of extreme stretch. Because the main thing is Matsyasana, your chest or if I say the lung part should expanded and expanded. If not happening well and you are just bending only neck, then the benefit will divide also and it will also vanish or like give hurt to your specific vertebra column of the cervical, especially the C2, C3 and C7. So work or like practice of this posture very crucially or very like calmly, thoroughly with the practice of your instructor and teacher. So we understand this traditions and modifications. About this posture, if you want to prevent yourself from the cervical issues or if you have any spondylitis issue at preliminary stage, then you can practice this. Apart of that, if your body feel more tiredness, you work long hours, you're sitting long time on the chair, you can try the modifications of that and variations of that. When you find the variations are working good to you, then you can go for the perfect posture. So this is all about the Matsyasana, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.